Hi guys, I'm Cassandra and welcome to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to show you some super easy ways to upcycle bottles. This video is for someone who's like a complete beginner or for someone who's looking to complete something quickly in less time. My goal for making this video was just to show you all easy ways and to encourage more people to upcycle waste bottles. But if you think this is like something easy or too basic, you can always check out my other videos. Like in this one I have used decoupage technique, and there is this one wherein I have used decoupage with CRACKLE medium. So if you want to check out those videos, I link them in the description box, and without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. The easiest way to reuse a bottle is just wash the bottle and remove the stickers and then put some plants, some succulents in it. This is so easy and it looks really good, but I must say it looks better if the bottle is a colored one. So if you have a plain glass bottle, you can just color it up. For this bottle, I am using this beautiful chalk paint in the shade Sailing Sky. This one has to be one of my current favorite colors. So I am just taking a sponge and dabbing the paint onto the bottle. I just love this color. So once it's dried, I'll cover the top portion with some jute thread. Here I am using silicone glue to stick the thread to the bottle. You can also use hot glue. And this is how it looks like, simple and beautiful. For the second bottle, I am painting it in this light pink chalk paint. And I leave it aside to dry. Next, I am taking a small piece of paper. This is a piece of some leftover cardstock paper. So I am just cutting out a small circle from it. And I am going to use this as a stencil to create this polka dot kind of design. So I am taking a darker shade of pink and I am using a sponge to apply the paint. This is again very easy and you can make the stencil of any shape that you want, like squares, triangles, etc. And you can also experiment with different color combinations. And I am using this pink thread to cover the top portion of this bottle. And lastly, I am painting this area with some golden acrylic paint. For the next bottle, I am taking some gesso and applying it onto the bottle. And once it's dried, I am taking a paper tape or a masking tape and sticking it like this. Next, I am applying paint onto it using a sponge. So for this bottle, I use this lovely lavender color, and I am using golden color to paint the bottom portion as well as the top portion. And once the paint is dried, I am going to peel off the tape. For the last bottle, again I am taking some gesso and applying it onto the bottle. And once that's dried, I am just painting some random triangles like this. And I am using the same colors which I have used earlier in this video, that is lavender, pink and blue. And lastly, I'll just add some jute thread to cover up the top portion. And this is what it looks like.
And yeah, this is it for today's video. Comment down and let me know if you like this video or not. And hit the like button if you liked it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. And see you in the next video. Bye.